What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best stainless steel cookware sets 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Stainless steel cookware is a favorite because it's so sturdy and versatile, but it can look rather plain. This set solves that problem since it has a hammered copper exterior that looks beautiful. Over time, the copper finish will develop a patina that many cooks love, but it's easy to clean the pans to bring them back to their original brightness if that's preferred. It's not all flash, though, since it has an aluminum core encased in stainless steel that our tester found gave even, consistent heating with no hot spots. The lids and handles are stainless steel, which offers an attractive color contrast. The edges of the pans are rolled for neat, easy pouring and the pots are oven safe to 500 degrees. This set includes an 8-inch skillet, a 10-inch skillet, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart deep sauté pan with lid, and a 6-quart stock pot with lid. Other highlights people point out are that the handles are both solid and comfortable to hold and keep cool while cooking, and that the cookware evenly distributes heat and retains it well. Number 4. It ticks all of the important boxes. It includes cookware in sizes you're likely to use. It's made from stainless steel that won't rust or stain or react with acidic foods like tomato sauce. It also has a multi-metal base that offers the best heat distribution, retention, and control. The set includes a 1.25-quart saucepan with lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, a 6.5-quart stock pot with lid, an 8-inch French skillet, a 10.5-inch French skillet, and a 3-quart sauté pan with lid. The base has a layer of copper enclosed in aluminum and covered with stainless steel that makes it as suitable for any cooktop, including induction. Our testing determined that while this cookware's 5-layer design makes the pieces heavy and takes a bit of time to heat up, it also allows them to hold heat well and distribute it evenly. We found no hard spots, either. The tulip shape looks elegant and the polished exterior adds to the class, while the brushed interior hides the inevitable scratches that come from use. The handles are made from cast stainless steel, attached with 2 rivets for durability, and the domed lids have high loop handles that are easy to grab, even if you're wearing mitts. The set is oven safe to 500 degrees and can be used under the broiler. For easy cleaning, all pieces are dishwasher safe. However, our reviewer warned that harsh dishwasher detergents could discolor or leave a film on the stainless steel. Since the lids are stainless steel rather than glass, you can't watch what you're cooking, but it means the lids are also oven safe and unbreakable. Number 3. If you're ready to replace your inexpensive cookware with a high-end set that will make the neighbors jealous, this set will be the jewel of your kitchen. But it's not all looks. These pieces are also workhorses that are designed for heavy-duty use in your busy kitchen. This set includes all of the pieces you really need in your kitchen: an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart sauté pan with lid, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. These are made with a 5-ply bonded construction that has alternating layers of stainless steel and conductive aluminum for warp-free strength and even heating. The heat conductivity is excellent. I browned ground beef and seared chicken sausages and salmon fillets in record time. Our reviewer raves, adding that only low to medium heat is needed to cook most things, resulting in energy efficiency. The cooking surface has a starburst finish for stick resistance, and the pots have flared rims that make it easy to pour liquid from them. For those days when a recipe calls for a specific pot size and you can't remember the details of your set, the capacity is etched on the bottom of each piece. The handles are made from stainless steel and secured with flat rivets. Lids are made from stainless steel so you can't see what's cooking, but they're unbreakable and you can use them in the oven along with the pots. These are oven and broiler safe to 600 degrees and can be used on any cooking surface, including induction. They are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Once you own this set, the one thing you might want to add is a non-stick skillet for cooking your morning eggs, but there isn't much else that you'll need for most of your cooking. Number 2. Our best beginner set is a smaller version of our best overall from Tramontina. With 2 pans, 2 pots, and a Dutch oven, this is a great set to begin exploring the world of cooking. Much like the bigger set, each of the pieces is made of 3 layers with an aluminum core and an exterior magnetic stainless steel layer that works with any cooktop. The riveted stainless steel handles will stay cool to the touch, especially when you're whipping up a batch of chili in the Dutch oven. Though not having a stock pot or a 12-inch fry pan is definitely a drawback, this set is extremely reliable and will last you for years to come. Number 1. Looking for a quality set of cookware that won't break the bank? This set has everything you need. It has a brushed stainless exterior and a polished interior surface, cool grip handles that are riveted on for security, and tight-fitting lids that self-baste the food as you cook. The triple-ply construction includes an aluminum core for heat retention and even heating. Our product tester can attest to this, saying that, with the lid on, a pot's contents stay warm while she's doing other tasks. She adds that her food ends up not only evenly browned, but also with none of it stuck to the pan once done doing so. The rims of this cookware are tapered for easy, mess-free pouring. The set is oven-safe to 550 degrees and can be used on any cooking surface, including induction. The pans can also be used under the broiler. All pieces are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The set includes a 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, an 8-inch skillet, a 10-inch skillet, a 3.5-quart sauté pan with lid, an 8-quart stock pot with lid, and a steamer insert with lid. The only piece you might want to add to this collection is a non-stick skillet for your morning eggs. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.